Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to yoga in GTA 5? Well, in GTA 5, if you want to yoga, just go behind Michael's house, go to the back of the house, and you will find a mat here. If you want to start a yoga, just click on E, and Michael will put on some music. And then you'll just need to follow the instructions here. Right now, it wants me to point down. So right now, I'm gonna click S, and then use my mouse to go down. You need to breathe in for about 1 to 2 seconds. One, two, then breathe out. Next position is on the left on the keyboard, then right on the mouse. Breathe in, and one, two, three, and breathe out. And right here, just click on W, then A for the keyboard, and go to the bottom right of the mouse. Breathe in, and breathe out. Now we're done with that set. Michael will continue yoga. But if you want, you can quit the yoga right now. If you're getting bored, just click on E. But if you like to continue it, just keep following the steps. Right now, I'm bored, so I'm gonna click E. And are you sure you want to quit the yoga? And then yes, there you go. That's how you do yoga in GTA 5. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.